In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is a powerful tool that searches the web and summarizes what it finds in clear, natural language. It's great for quick answers, deeper research, and follow-up exploration, all in one place. Let's walk through exactly how to use it so you can get reliable, well-sourced responses right away. First, open your browser and go to perplexity.ai. You can start using it immediately without creating an account. If you prefer a more personalized experience, consider signing up. Click Sign Up. Choose to register with your email or a Google account and log in. With an account, you'll unlock useful features like saved chats and easy sharing, which can be especially handy if you're researching over time or collaborating with others. If you just want to try it out, skipping sign up is totally fine. To ask your first question, click the search or chat box at the top of the page, type what you want to know, and press Enter. Be as clear and specific as you can. If you have a goal in mind, say it. For example, ask for a summary, a comparison, or a beginner-friendly explanation, including a bit of context, like your level of familiarity or what you plan to do with the information, helps the AI tailor the response more effectively. After you submit your question, you'll see the AI's answer. Typically, it starts with a concise summary that directly addresses your question. Below that, you'll find sources and links to the web pages it consulted, along with related follow-up questions you can explore. Perplexity gathers information from multiple web sources and synthesizes it into a readable, grounded response. Take a moment to scan the sources. Click through if you want to verify details, explore the original context, or learn more. This transparency makes it easier to judge credibility and compare viewpoints. You can continue the conversation in the same thread with follow-up questions. This is where Perplexity shines. It keeps context to refine the answer. For example, you might start with, "What is blockchain?" and then follow up with, "Explain it with a real-world example." Because the AI remembers what you've already asked, it will build on that foundation rather than starting from scratch. That's all you need to get started. Open Perplexity, optionally sign up to save and share, ask your question, review the answer and sources, and keep the conversation going. Use it to move from a quick overview to deeper understanding, and remember to double-check critical facts by opening the cited links. Enjoy exploring with Perplexity AI.